Yo, I'm Nez and I'm up in the kitchen, and this time what I'm gonna make for y'all is an iced latte. I know I just did a video before, or I should say earlier this morning. I did a video on a hot latte, but now I'm gonna make an iced latte for you, and it's pretty much the same procedure. It just involved more ice to keep it nice and cold. But I'll show you how to put all that together. And again, like I said before, you choose your own flavors. I'm going with the Cold Stone for my base sweet cream. And this time, I know this morning I did pumpkin. This time I'm doing caramel. So it's all up to you what flavors you want to use. You could use any flavors. And in lieu of adding more sugar to sweeten it up, I decided to go with Splenda, so I'm not adding any more actual sugar. I'm just adding more sweetener. So with that being said, let's get into this. You're going to need your cup full of ice, obviously, to rapidly cool down your coffee. And I'm going to go ahead and start that right now, so that can get cooled down. And while that's happening, we're going to make our froth mixture. What I'm going to do, or our milk froth, I should say. What we're going to do is we're going to pour our Cold Stone in. Right there. Top that off with some skim milk. Let me just move that out there. I'm doing a one-handed situation here. Up to the max fill line, bong, just like so. All right. And then we're gonna pop this on the frother, hit cold, and then hit latte. So that's going to do what it's going to do. I'm going to add my extra sweetener. I try not to drop it in, the paper in. So that's working. And then I'm going to hit it with some caramel. Bong. And we're going to do the same thing we did before. We're going to lace the side of the cup with caramel. Getting low on caramel. Go to show how many caramel lattes I make. But that ought to do. That's fine for what we doing here. Oh, I never hit the go button for the coffee. That's a main thing you should do. So now we just play the waiting game. That's my cup. Using my trusty Dunkin' Donuts cup. Now, mind you, like I said in the hot latte video, if you don't necessarily have the Keurig K-Cafe here, you can use any kind of milk frother. If you have one of the little, mini hand milk frothers, or if you have a blender, just blend it on high. Just make sure you submerge the beater into the milk, and then spin it on high, and then you bring it in and out to froth it. And when you do it on high for a good amount of time, eventually it will start to froth up. Or you can, manually whisk it with your hand. But as we're doing here, I got the coffee. I did 6 ounces of coffee. So that way it's not your standard 8 ounces. Try to get a close simulation to espresso without it necessarily being espresso. So this is more of like a an iced coffee latte versus an actual latte, because with actual latte you need espresso. And I could have used espresso because I already have some ground espresso over here. I could have used that, but I didn't want to. But it's the same thing. I could have just replaced the regular coffee with espresso and accomplished the same goal. But now that this part's done, I'm gonna dump that into my cup there, bong, like so. And then I'm gonna finish with the rest of my iced coffee. Just give it another couple little shakes just to cool it off some more. Ice and all, dump that right in there. bang, just like that. And then we could finish that off with a little bit of whipped cream. My little cream whipper here. I suggest everybody get you one of these. And there you have it. A nice homemade iced coffee. As simple as, iced latte, I should say. As simple as that. And just drink a little bit out. Throw my lid on there. Bang, just like that. Better than Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks. So with that being said, I'm Nez. I'm up in the kitchen. I just made an iced latte for y'all. Check down in the description down below for a whole bunch of links to stuff. I also put the link to the hot latte video that I did early this morning, and I'll link to each other just in case. And yeah, just check out some of my other videos, and don't forget to smash that thumbs button whether you like this video or not. And if you like the recipe, drop me a comment, let me know. And if you have your own recipes, maybe let me know that too. And maybe I'll do another video using your recipe. So with that being said, try that and leave me a comment, let me know how it went. And I'm out this piece. Bon appetito. Enjoy.